Look at the cute birds on the beach. The birds like, you won't trick me, stay your little distance. Oh, look at the baby bird. The baby bird said, little mama, come over here. Baby bird, don't get swept away over there. I have been from my life. Look at the baby bird running. Like, you won't trick me out here. No, sir. For life, this moment, I just feel so alive. Alive, alive. I wish that I could have this moment alive. Look at the birds. They holler behind. I'm like, no, sir, you won't trick me. Oh, the animals just teach me so much about life. I ain't gonna lie. Alive. Yeah, it's a beautiful day at the beach. Kind of windy a little bit, but it's beautiful. Don't tell me the helicopter, he coming through. Yeah, the helicopter coming through. He wanna know what the link. He wanna know what the link. What the link read? Why are you at the beach today? What I tell you? Yeah, look at that sun. That sun beaming now. It came back out. Yeah, I had to come chill at the beach and stay out the way. I ain't fool well. Yeah, I ain't fool wet. Yeah, I just love life so much because I have learned so much about life. I ain't even gonna front y'all. I have learned a lot about life. Yeah, I learned a lot about life and the secrets to life. Boy, I tell you, you won't trick me out here. Boy, what a friend oh Lord. The water is so cold, no wonder nobody off in there. Nobody is in the water. That water's so cold. No, sir. Yeah, that water is way too cold. Oh, way too cold. Yeah, the helicopter circling around, yeah. Oh, shoot. I hope Nan Bird caught herself pooping on me. Because last week, another bird done pooped on me, y'all. Another bird done caught herself pooping on my behind. I'm like, you got some nerve. But I know what that means when a bird poops on you. So, yeah. All right, y'all.